What's up, guys? It's Coach Johnson coming to you guys with another video discussing Chapter 3. Today, we're going to start on Section 2, World Climates. Okay, so the major climate zones of the United States, the world. In some places, you might get dressed to go skiing, and in other places, you might have to head out with a swimsuit to go to the beach. What the seasons are like where you are depends on your climate. Earth is a patchwork of climates. Geographers identify these climates by looking at temperature, precipitation, native plant life. Using these items, we can divide the Earth into five general climate zones: tropical, temperate, polar, dry, and highland. The first three climate zones are related to latitude and how far north or south you are from the equator. Tropical climates occur near the equator or in the low altitudes, latitudes. Temperate climates occur about halfway between the equator and the poles and are in the middle latitudes. Polar climates occur near the poles and are high latitudes. The last two climate zones, dry and highlands, occur in many different areas. Here's a picture right here. You can pause to take a look at the climates. Uh, Tropical and dry climates. So, are you the type of person who likes to go to extremes? Then tropical and dry climates might be for you. These climates include the wettest and the driest places on the planet. Tropical climates. Our tour of the Earth's climate starts at the equator, in the heart of the tropics. This region extends to the tropical of Cancer and the tropical of Capricorn. This climate is warm, muggy, and it rains nearly all year. Temperature ranges between 80 degrees. Showers and storms occur almost daily, and average rainfall is anywhere between 70 to more than 450 inches per year. In comparison, only a few spots in the United States average more than 70 inches of rain a year. Some places with humid tropical climate have monsoons, seasonal winds that bring either dry or moist air. During one part of the video of the year, a moist ocean wind creates an extremely wet season. The winds then shift direction, and dry land wind creates a dry season. Monsoons affect several parts of Asia, for example, like in India, which receives an average 450 inches of rain a year, but mostly within a 6 month period. The humid tropical climate warms temperatures, and heavy rainfall supports tropical rainforests. These lush forests contain many types of plants and animals than anywhere else in the world. The world's largest rainforest is on the Amazon basin in South America. Here's pictures of monsoons. Here's humid tropical climate images. Let's talk about the tropical savanna climate. Moving north and south away from the equator, we will find the tropical savanna climate. This climate has a long, hot, dry season followed by short periods of rain. Rain is much lower than at the equator, but still very high. Temperatures are hot in the summer, often as high as 90 degrees. Winters are cold, but rarely get super cold. These climates does not receive enough rainfall to support dense forests. Instead of solving savannas, areas of tall grasses and scattered trees and scrubs. Here are images of that. Dry climate. Leaving Earth's wettest places, we're going to head to one of its driest places. These climates are found in a number of locations around the planet. Okay, here's a picture. You can pause to look at all the different dry desert climates. Desert climate. Picture of the sun baking down on a barren wasteland. This is the desert. Earth's hottest and driest climate. Deserts receive less than 10 inches of rain a year. Dry air and clear skies produce high daytime temperatures and rapidly cooling at nighttime. And some desert highs are as high as 130 degrees. Under such conditions, only very hardly any animals or plants can live. Many plants grow far apart so that they don't have to compete with each other. Others, such as cactus, store water in their stems and leaves. So the steppe climate. So semi-dry grasslands are called steppes, often border deserts. Steppes receive slightly more rain than deserts. Short grasses are the most common plants, but scrubs and trees grow along these expanded rivers or streams.